Aside from being a versatile culinary herb, curry leaves offer an abundance of health benefits due to the powerful plant compounds they contain. In regards to weight loss, they're 1. Beneficial for gut health. Eating curry leaves provides relief to the gut, which prevents various problems of indigestion. A good digestive system is key to losing weight. 2. Detoxes the body. By chewing or eating curry leaves regularly, harmful toxins are removed from the body. Its leaves help your body naturally detoxify, burn more calories, and avoid fat accumulation, which can result in weight loss. 3. You can lose weight. They contain an alkaloid that has anti-obesity and lipid-lowering effects. Thus, consumption of curry leaves helps in reducing total cholesterol and triglyceride levels and reducing body weight. Here's the right way to consume curry leaves. 1. Curry leaf juice. Take 20 to 30 curry leaves in a glass of water. Put it in a blender and blend for 30 to 40 seconds or until the leaves are finely chopped and mixed. Now strain it. If you want, drink it like this. You can also add mint leaves to give it a refreshing taste. Consuming curry leaves is helpful because fitness freaks often prefer green juices as they're packed with antioxidants that boost immunity and aid in digestion. When you drink it in the morning, your body gets chlorophyll, which makes you feel energized and energetic. Consume it daily to see the difference in your belly fat. You have to be patient to see results, though. You can also add spinach to it to make it even healthier. 2. Curry leaves water. Another way to use curry leaves for weight loss is to consume their water. It's very easy to make, and you could also make it like this. Take 10 to 20 curry leaves and boil them in some water. Strain the water to remove the leaves. If you want, you can add lemon or honey for some taste. For better results, drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 15 incredible benefits of curry leaves for hair, weight loss, and skin. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.